You've got mail.
My Kemimoto package here already. One thing I can say about Kemimoto is their delivery service is on point. Yeah, this was just sent out, I don't know, 3-4 days ago. It's here already. I didn't expect it. What have we got? What have we got? What's in the box? What's in the box? Mirrors. Oh, how'd I know? Yeah, you might say we already got mirrors. Yes, we do. But I guess Kemimoto must have taken note, get these out of here, that my mirrors don't have a swivel right here. They only turn in and out and up and down that way. So the functionality is limited, I guess you'd say. It's made an improvement since I've added them to the machine, that's for sure. These ones have that third pivot point in here, so it should make it better to see the ground. I could see behind me good, but backing up I'm trying to see where my tire is, and I'm having a hard job to see down that low. Kind of had to lean ahead, so these ones should make it better. Let's do it. Well, I'm getting good at this. First one I picked. What size is it? I don't know, I didn't look. Try them till they fit. That's what I do. Oh, check it out. It comes with its own Allen key. I guess you don't gotta guess what size it is. Okay, it tips left to right. In here it don't tip this way because it don't have to. You can adjust that this way. It's pretty sweet. Kemimoto.com. Look, going here behind us, look, 2 bucks. One just went in the woods. There's the other one. Right in town. Right behind my house. Alright, now I'm going to set in here and get it where I need it. Yeah, I feel like I just want to tighten it a little bit, but keep it so I can adjust it on the fly. Because while you're driving, I want it like this and I can see straight behind me, but if I'm backing up I can't see my tire. You just reach out and bend it down. Now I can see where I'm going. I like it. Thank you, Kemimoto. There we go. I like that. All done. Looks good. So yeah, that extra pivot point will definitely come in handy. You can see all the way to the ground and the riders behind you, whichever you're using them for at the moment. So I like that. I can get a little more visibility out of them. And yeah, get yours at Kemimoto.com. They got a lot of stuff on Amazon. Check them out on Amazon. The packaging is just overkill. It's perfect, really. I guess you can't never have overkill when you're packaging side-by-side goods. Nice instructions. Who needs them for this little job? Any idiot can do it. Now we're going to back up the edge of this grass and turn in this driveway. using just our mirrors. Let's do it. Make sure to check out Kemimoto.com for all your ATV, UTV accessories. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.
They call me a god.